students, welcome again in this beautiful world of accountancy. This is Amit sir, your accountancy teacher. With this video, I am going to start chapter number 5, that is accounting equation. But before I start, I'll suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Now, before knowing anything new in this chapter, first we should know the meaning of accounting equation. Accounting equation represents mathematical relationship between assets and liabilities and capital. It shows that assets are always equal to liabilities plus capital. In other words, we can say it also helps us in judging whether dual aspect concept is followed by us or not. It means हमने जो हम कहते हैं कि हर ट्रांजैक्शन के दो इफेक्ट होते हैं, उसको फॉलो किया है या नहीं किया, उसे जज करने में अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन हमारी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है. दैट्स वाई accounting equation is also known as one of the biggest tool in judging arithmetical accuracy of business transactions. Now, with the help of definition जो हमने पीछे पढ़ी, we can say assets are always equal to liabilities plus owner's equity, or we can say liabilities are always equal to assets less capital. In other words, we can also say that owner's equity is equal to assets minus external liability. Before moving ahead, you should also know that owner's equity is also known as capital and owner's equity is also known as net worth. तो प्लीज इसमें कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा. नेक्स्ट इज with the help of the equation which we had learned in previous slide, we can form a table for representing accounting equation. In that accounting equation, assets are always equal to liabilities plus capital. Now, please see, these both sides must be equal or balanced. इन दोनों साइड को क्या होना चाहिए? बैलेंस. If any difference arises, then हमें उसे रेक्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा और चेक करना पड़ेगा कि हमने कहाँ मिस्टेक कमिट किया है. अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन, वी कैन से एसेट्स इसमें जो होता है वो रिप्रेजेंट द वैल्यू विच अ बिजनेस ओन्ड एंड विच कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इन फॉर्म ऑफ कैश whenever it is required, or all other things which a business acquire for the purpose of using them in the business is known as assets. And here equities means financial rights on those assets, and those rights can be divided in two categories: external liabilities or internal liabilities, or in other words we can say liabilities, any amount owed by the business to any other or means outsiders is known as liability, whereas owner's equity means amount remaining in the assets after paying or after subtracting the amount payable to outsider is known as owner's equity or capital. Now, one thing you should remember that before moving ahead, हमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि जितना भी हमने एसेट्स परचेज किया होता है उसका दो सोर्स होता है, जिसे बोला गया है यहाँ पे इक्विटी. कुछ पैसा बिजनेसमैन का अपना होता है और कुछ पैसा बाहर से लिया होता है. ये दोनों हमेशा इक्वल रहने चाहिए. इफ एनी डिफरेंस अराइजेस, इट मीन्स some mistake is there from our side. That thing is represented through accounting equation. तभी मैंने आपको पिछली स्लाइड में बोला कि accounting equation helps in judging dual entity concept. Now, for better understanding, I am giving you an example. In the given example, Ram started business with cash of ₹40,000. Now, अगर राम बिजनेस स्टार्ट करता है तो इट मीन्स इट विल इंक्रीजेस एसेट्स ऑन वन साइड एंड इट विल ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस कैपिटल ऑन अदर साइड. इट मीन्स बोथ साइड विल बी इंक्रीज बाय ₹40,000. इन अदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से दोनों साइड हमेशा बैलेंस रहेंगी. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू साइड्स. गॉट इट? नाउ नेक्स्ट, वन मोर एग्जांपल इज देयर. इन द गिवन एग्जांपल, व्हेन वी परचेज गुड्स ऑन क्रेडिट, when a businessman purchases goods on credit, it will increases his asset and it also increases its liability. The asset which it increases is stock and the liabilities which it increases is creditors. Again, both side will remain same or balance. अगर कोई difference होगा, then we need to rectify it, and we need to search what is the reason of that difference. For example is there. Please इस बात को दिमाग में मत रखिएगा कि हर ट्रांजैक्शन के 2 इफेक्ट होंगे, हर ट्रांजैक्शन के 3 इफेक्ट और या उससे ज़्यादा इफेक्ट भी हो सकते हैं. बट इफेक्ट ऑन बोथ साइड will make it balance. Like in the given problem, we sold goods costing 20,000 for rupees 30,000. Now when we sold goods costing 20,000 for rupees 30,000, it will increase our profit. आपको क्लियरली दिख रहा होगा 20 का चीज 30 में बिक रहा है, तो प्रॉफिट कहाँ जाता है? प्रॉफिट जाता है कैपिटल में, तो कैपिटल इंक्रीज होगा 10,000 से. एंड इट विल ऑल्सो रिड्यूस our stock by rupees 20,000. With that, it also increases our capital by rupees 30,000. It means both side will remain balanced. आप क्लियरली देख सकते हैं कि एसेट साइड में 30 प्लस हो रहा है और 20 माइनस हो रहा है. इट मीन्स there is an increase of 10,000 on asset side, which will be represented on the other side by in form of profit. So हमने उस profit को capital में add कर दिया. Now finally goodbye, and in next class we will do full-fledged question of accounting equation. For the time being, thank you.